Week 3, rebuilding my 130k Etsy store with 3D printing, and this week's revenue was 286 euros and 36 cents. So it's around, let's see, around $350 for US people. And remember, the goal is 10k a month in revenue in 1 year's time. So for those who know me, you already know I'm selling. I sold digital products, and now I'm switching and rebuilding everything with the 3D printing products. But here's something interesting. I realized that last week that I could actually maybe do a exit for my digital products, and let me explain to you. So my goal is to flip my not flip, but to sell all my digital products and do an exit on flippa.com and potentially get like $40,000. And let me show you what I have started. So this is my uh, Shopify store that I built for the past 3 days using Claude Design and Claude Design, Claude Code, and I also used a what else I used? So Shopify, yeah, Claude Design, Claude Code, and Shopify. It's all custom, a theme with all the schemas, and it's not finished though. I have a couple of stuff to do, but overall, it's a good start. It's a total custom theme, and this is something I will sell to a buyer, and I think I could get around um, between 30k and 50k. I'm gonna sell all the products that I own. I'm gonna sell this Shopify page to the buyer, and I also sell all my buyer email addresses. And so actually, let me tell you my plan, what I'm actually gonna do. So the current focus at this moment is not actually 3D printing this week or maybe the next 4 weeks. For the next 4 weeks, the goal is to start our getting sales to my digital products here and do an exit in like 2 months. And I'll show you my strategy. And if you're doing 3D printing, like what I'm about to tell you is going to be quite interesting. So my goal is imagine that I have this let's call this Shopify, okay? Um, and then this is going to be a web page, Flippa, where I'm gonna get between 30k to 50k by selling all the assets that I have. So imagine that I have this Shopify store, which is available here. Sorry, I have somebody's calling me, but okay, it doesn't matter. Um, so here are all the assets that I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell the Shopify store, plus I'm gonna sell 14,000 email addresses of the past buyers, so the new owner can, reach out to them, or if they have any problems, um, the contacts are there, and from them, if the buyer wants to do any Facebook advertising, they can use the 14,000k list to build the lookalike audiences. And what lookalike audience are? There are you can use like existing list of 14k emails, and based on these, Facebook will find new buyers that match this list. So it's actually really valuable. This email list alone could be worth I think between 10k to $15,000 because it's valuable. You can run more targeted ads, and you can email the list. So it's a lot of valuable things you can do with that. So asset one is email list for the sale, and also the asset two is going to be a Shopify store, And the third asset is going to be all my six. How many I have? Six. So I'm giving away these assets. I'm giving away an email list. I'm going to give away a Shopify store, and I'm also gonna give away not give away, but sell all my designs. Plus, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna email all my 40K email list and send the list to this offer, because the majority people from my list never bought this deal. They maybe bought this design pack, or maybe this design pack, or maybe couple or couple designs, or maybe two of these theme packs, but they never bought like all 674. So, and the price I have set $47. And I think if I calculate my conversion rate on Etsy, um, let me see. My conversion rate for the mega pack on Etsy is around 4.2%, 4.2%, which is actually really high. But Etsy is more about search, so buyers have more uh, buying intent, because like they're already searching um, uh, for the products. And on Facebook, and it's cold traffic, the conversion rate obviously would be lower. But as I'm planning to send this deal to my 14K list, I think I could get around, um, I think 2%, you know. And what is it? It's around, I think, 200 people. So let's see, 200 people buys a 47. So yeah, that's what I actually was calculating before with the Claude, and he told me that these numbers are quite realistic. So I'm gonna get 10K from the list, and here's the kicker. While doing that, I will increase Shopify Analytics revenue, right? Because the end buyer will care about the revenue. So while I'm doing that, I'm increasing the Shopify's revenue to 10K a month. Like, for example, next month I start the campaign. On June I will do 10K in sales, maybe less, doesn't matter. My goal is between 5K and 10K. Okay, and then on July I will use this capital to run Facebook ads. And why I'm doing that? Because while I do my email campaign, I will have my Facebook pixel installed into my Shopify store, and it's gonna get warmed up. Uh, and the Facebook pixel will know what is my perfect buyer, and I'm gonna use that warmed up pixel to then target Facebook ads. Okay, and the goal on July is to do anywhere, I hope so, between 5K to 8K in revenue, and keep it like that running until August. And by the September, uh, I will have all my assets warmed up and the sales going in, and I will also have a proof that the business is generating revenue, the Shopify business. Because look, my Etsy business already did 130K, so there's a past proof that the product this that I'm selling is working. And yeah, the goal is to do an exit by September, and hopefully to get 30K to 50K. On Flippa, there's some brokers available. I think I might do a call with one of them, or a couple of them, to see maybe they can help me. Maybe they think the value could be higher. I actually um, chatted with Claude, and he thinks the value is a lot higher. This is like the worst case scenario actually. And he's like selling something around like 90K, but I don't know. I want to be realistic, and I honestly think that 30K is really very realistic. So that's my goal: 30 to 50K uh, exit, and then I'm gonna use this money to invest back into 3D printing stuff. Maybe I can do a mini farm, 3D printing farm. And my goal with the 3D printing stuff will be to do another exit, right? To start 3D printing, create all my 3D print designs, and then start my Shopify store, and then also do an exit. So that's my current plan. And if you're interested in seeing behind my Etsy, you already know where to go. Or you maybe you don't, because maybe you're a new viewer. You can go to my website. The link is below this video. You could go to my Etsy store, and you can see all my product ads and real numbers behind my 130K Etsy store. I show you everything, the ads that I'm running, the products, the pricing, keywords, everything. And if you're doing 3D printing, here's my profit calculator. By filling all these forms, you can understand what's your net profit. And here's also my roadmap, what I'm following with this 3D printing business. So that's that. If you're interested, visit my website, check my Etsy. I'm sure you can find something valuable what I'm showing you. Okay, bye.